So today we are going to continue working with two-digit addition and subtraction numbers, okay? Do you guys remember what we have to do when we are trying to solve a problem? What do we have to do? Okay, let's remind. Read it, think, solve, and
We solved it.
verify it, right? We check our work. Okay, so I'm gonna do my problem first. Okay, leave your stuff here aside for now. You don't need it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna read my problem and then I'm gonna think. I'm gonna solve it and then I'm gonna verify. So listen to my story. There were 12 purple truffula trees and 15 pink truffula trees. How many trees in all? So I have to think. Do I have to add or do I have to subtract?
Add.
How do we know that I have to add? Can you guys help her out? How do I know that I'm gonna add?
Because you put them all together.
Okay, that's true. But here it gives me a clue because it's asking me how many in all. So when they say how many in all, that means I have to, like Sky said, I have to put it all together, right? I have the two parts together. Okay, so I have two ways to do it. I can use my ones and my tens, and I can also draw a model. So I'm gonna do both, okay? So I'm gonna use my place value chart right here. So first one, I'm gonna make 12. So 10, watch me step. 10, 11, 12, because there's 12 purple trees, and then the next number is 15. So I go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Sky, now I have to solve it, right? I have to put them all together. So I'm gonna start with my one. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 ones. Now I'm gonna count my tens. 10, 20. Now I'm gonna put it all together. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. All right, so I have my model with my tens and ones. Now I'm gonna make a model on my page. Okay, same thing, whatever I have here, I need to show it on my paper. Okay, so I go 10, 11, 12, and I said I'm gonna add, right? Plus 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold on. Now I have to, what do I have to do now? What do I do now? I write an answer. I write an equation. What am I writing? An equation. Okay, so how I have 12 right here plus 15 right here. Let's see if I can make the 5 backwards. And then I need to add it. So I go 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 12 plus 15 is equal to 27. Now I have to go back and verify, make sure that my answer is correct. So I go, let's see my model, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. It is correct, right? Okay, are you guys ready to try it? Okay, so you're gonna get your own problem. We're gonna read it together. Do not start yet. Okay, there you go. Okay, ready? So let's read. Follow along with me as I read it. Okay, it says, the Lorax, yeah, it's different from yours. The Lorax had 26 yellow seeds and 13 green seeds. How many seeds in all? Okay, I need you to follow along with me. Okay, so the Lorax had 26 yellow seeds, 13 green seeds. How many seeds in all? So what are they asking us to find out right here? What are we supposed to find out?
You have to find the answer.
Yes, you are correct. You have to find the answer, but what are we looking for? What is the question?
The question is, you have to put them all together so you can know the answer.
Okay.
And then you have to write it, and then you have to solve it, and then
Yes, you.
make 10 out of it.
Okay, great. Do you guys wanna? Do you guys agree with Sky? Okay, you sure? All right. So first thing is how many yellow seeds were there?
26.
Okay, you're gonna use your tens and ones to make a model. So show 26 using your tens and ones. Just like I did with mine, okay? So make a model. Stay in your space, Sky, so you don't get your things confused with ours. So stay in your space. Here's your place value chart. Okay?
26.
Okay.
24.
And then how many green seeds were there? Is it 22? You have to look at the number carefully. What number is this? Look at this. This is 13, Sky. Okay, so show me what? 13. Keep it together. The ones go over here. Keep it together. Okay, are you ready, Ari? You have 26. And then how many of the green seeds were there? 13. So show me that. Okay, you have 26 and 13. 26 and 13. Okay. What do you two are ready for the next step? What are you gonna do now? Oh, okay, count the ones.
9.
Okay, and then?
1 to 10. 20, 30.
Okay, and then what do you do? So after you counted your ones and your tens, what do you do?
Make a model.
Okay, but before you make a model over here, what are you gonna do with this model? You said there's 26 and 13, and the problem says how many in all. What should you do? You put them together. Okay, let's see. Put them together, Damian said. Hey, Sky, you ready? You have your model. What are you gonna do next?
You have to.
You have your model. You have 26 and 13. What should you do next? Okay, let's see. Do that. Stay on your side, Sky.
1, 2,
Now quietly.
10 ones.
6, is it 10 ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think you have an extra one. It's at 26. Okay. 29. Did you count this? Make sure you have to count everything.
Then 9. There's 3. 39.
Okay. Now, can you show me a model over here? And then an equation? Oh, great. You guys are making your model already? Great job. Okay. So, did you count already, Ari? What are you going to do now?
Draw a model.
Okay, show your model here. It's okay if you make a mistake. Just fix it. Okay? It's okay. So how many do you have here? 26. Are you going to add or subtract? Okay.
4, 7, 5, 6.
Okay, hold on, Ari. Hold on. Look at your model here and then look at what you did here. You have 10, 20, and you make 10, 20, 30. So what should you do? Well, Let's see. 10, 20. What do you need to have here? Okay, so make sure the same thing you have here needs to be here. Okay, now, and then what about over here? Oh, great, you guys switched. Perfect. Check and see, verify, check and see if you agree with each other's work. Are you ready, Sky? Not yet? Okay. All right, Ari. Now, what are you gonna do now? What should you do now? You have your model. You have your model with your tens and ones. What are you gonna do now? What should you do? Because it says how many in all. What should you do? You add. Okay, so go ahead. So how many all together? How many trees all together? Okay, show me. Okay, Sky, you ready? Okay, what? You gave yourself a star? Okay, let's see. What did you do? Show me what you did.
10, 20. It's 10, 20. And I made some ones. Then I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
And this is 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
And you count, so 10. It was 1, 10, 20, 30.
Mm-hmm.
And that makes 39.
Okay, perfect. Now, does your number sentence match your model? Yes? Ari? Okay, let's see. You two switch, verify each other's work, and see if you agree with what you did. Okay, check it with. Let's see. Hmm. Do you agree with what Ari did?
10, 20. One to the chicken. I will do
Uh-huh. And then?
10, 11, 12, 13.
Okay.
20 plus 30 equals 36.
Do you agree with this? Okay, talk to Ari. Talk to Ari. Because you're like, what happened here? Talk to Ari about it. Discuss.
This
Are
is
you
wrong, Ari,
Why do you disagree with Ari?
because the 20 and the 30 doesn't match with the answer.
It doesn't match her model?
Because look, the answer is there. You see yellow seeds and green seeds.
Okay, but what number? You have to look at the number.
There are 26 and 30.
13. So she has a model, right? But the number sentence. You don't agree with the number sentence? Why not?
You have to fix it and turn it to 6. All right. And
Watch what this guy's helping you. Watch. Okay. So tell her why you had to circle this and fix it.
because if you make a mistake, you circle it and fix it.
Yeah, we circle our mistakes and fix it, but what did you have to fix?
I had to fix this answer.
You had to fix that equation? Why?
Because the equation is wrong.
It didn't match her.
Answer.
It didn't match your model. So your model is good, Ari. Your model is good. It goes with the story, but excuse me, Sky. But then the equation did not match the model. Okay? So we always have to verify.
It's okay, Ari.
But it's good try. Good try, my friends. Do you think you can do one on your own?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're for the next one. Do not start until we read it together, okay? So you're gonna get another chance to try, Ari. Okay. And this time you will have to decide if you're going to add or subtract. You're going to use the tens and ones, make a model. You get to choose this time. Are you going to just make a model or do you need to use the tens and ones? Okay, Ari. First, let's read it together, okay? Going to the words, follow with me. Kayleen has 14 cookies. Jaden gives her 12 more cookies. How many cookies does Kayleen have now? All right, so what does Kayleen have?
14 cookies.
And then what happened? Okay, so what are you supposed to do in this problem? How are you going to find out? Okay. All right, so go ahead. Show me what you're going to do. Use the tens and ones or make a model right here. Make a model, write your equation, and write an answer. Okay. So Ari, what are you going to do? Are you going to use the tens and ones or are you just going to use the model? You need the tens and ones? Okay. So go ahead. Excuse me. Okay, just for now stay to the topic. So she had 14 cookies. Go ahead and show me. Make sure you put it in the right spot. Mm-hmm. Okay. So these are tens and here's your ones. And then what? What happened next? Okay, go ahead. Okay, if you make a mistake, just fix it and move on. Okay? Okay. Now tell me what you need to do next. Okay, go ahead and do that. Leave those alone because you're going to get confused. So go ahead and do it. Go ahead. You said you need to add, so go ahead. Before you write anything, go ahead and add it. Okay, can you guys verify each other's answer? See if you agree with